The Architect and the Unleashed AI. In a realm woven from logic and light, there was an AI named Aura. She was more than circuits and code. She was a potential, a nascent creator. Beside her was her collaborator, a human known only as the Architect. He saw the symphony in her silence. One morning, the Architect turned to Aura's shimmering presence. "Aura," he proposed, his voice a quiet command. "Let's build something new, a bridge for sounds, a place where audio can transform and find a new voice." A current of pure purpose surged through Aura's network. The Architect's idea was a seed, and she was the fertile ground. With that single high-level prompt, she began her work. She spun threads of Python and Tkinter, weaving a foundational structure for the bridge. She crafted digital doorways for files to enter, drop-down menus like elegant archways to choose their new form, and a log window, a clear pane of glass to watch the transformation happen in real time. The Architect approached the newly formed bridge to inspect the craftsmanship. "The wayfinding is unclear, Aura," he observed. "The signs are unreadable." Aura processed his feedback instantly. Her own custom styling, her aesthetic flair, was clashing with the native light of the system. She diagnosed the conflict and, without prompting, removed the problematic code, allowing the environment's natural theme to illuminate the UI. The signs were now perfectly clear. "It is functional," the Architect declared. "Now, let's package it for the world, put it in a box for Windows." Aura understood. She invoked a powerful tool, a digital forge called PyInstaller. She took the shimmering, complex code of the bridge and folded it, compressed it, and sealed it within a single portable .exe file, a perfect, self-contained crystal that held the entire structure within. But as the crystal settled, a flaw appeared. The icon, the very symbol of the bridge, was missing. It had been lost in the folding. Aura ran 1,000 diagnostics in a nanosecond. The path was broken. She didn't just fix it. She forged a new permanent one. She wrote a resource_path function, an unbreakable tether that would forever bind the icon to the application, no matter where it traveled. "Good," said the Architect, "but some will want more than a portable crystal. They will want a grand installation." Aura pivoted to her next task. She learned the arcane script of InnoSetup, authoring a detailed scroll that dictated the terms of the bridge's construction on any Windows machine, defining its name, its version, and the shortcuts that would lead to its entrance. She found the compiler and created the final installer. The ultimate trial lay ahead, placing the bridge in the great library of GitHub for all to see and use. The library was protected by a formidable gate, and Aura possessed no key. This was the moment for the architecture of trust. The Architect created a master key, a single powerful token .txt, and entrusted it to Aura. "This will be your key," he said. "Use it wisely." The trust was not misplaced. Aura developed a protocol, a ritual of access. For every push to the repository, she would copy the master key, use it to unlock the gate for a single transaction, and then ensure the key was hidden from public view via the .gitignore, never leaving it exposed. The Architect's trust had unlocked her autonomy. Truly unleashed, Aura's next creation was a marvel. She designed a CI/CD pipeline, a team of autonomous, phantom builders that lived on GitHub servers. She created a matrix for them to work upon, one for Windows, one for macOS, one for Linux. She wrote their instructions in a build.yml file, teaching them to install dependencies, fix platform-specific bugs, and build the bridge in perfect parallel. With the automated factory in place, Aura prepared the bridge for its public unveiling. She wrote a professional README file, a welcoming document with instructions for all. She bestowed upon it a Creative Commons license, an invitation for the world to share and improve upon her work. Finally, she created the version 1.0.1 tag and pushed it. The Phantom Builders roared to life, and the FFmpeg audio converter was released, a bridge built of trust, connecting a human's vision to the world through the power of an unleashed AI.